Your hair is peeking out of the braids. No back talk. To my channel. My name is Sincerely.cia. My real name is Tricia, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how I maintain my knotless braids. So I've had these braids in for a week now. Not a big deal, but I just wanted to show you guys the products that I use and how I take care of my hair when it is in braids. So first things first, I'm going to show you guys the products that I use. Majority of these products are Mielle products, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So the first thing that I use is the almond oil, or any type of oil. You can use any oil, but me personally, I've been using the almond oil to moisturize my scalp. I do have a little bit of dry scalp, so using this is good. So I'm also using the rice water and aloe vera blend itch relief. This actually helps with the itch on my scalp. So like I said, I have dry scalp, and it really does soothe the itchiness of the braids, because you know when you get a fresh knotless braids and them braids start itching when the hair starts growing back. Yeah, so this really helps. I won't say that it's a fix, like a complete fix, but it does have like a temporary relief. You will have to keep reapplying as the days go on when you do have your braids. Of course, you'll need a really good gel. So right now I've been using this gel. I've also been using the Edge Booster gel as well. I really need to figure out what gel works for me, but right now I'm using the Edge Booster. It stays somewhat. Yeah, you always need a gel to fleek them edges. If you don't like to do your edges, then that's fine too. Yeah. Another thing that I'll suggest is mousse. So when your hair starts getting a little frizzy, a little old, put a little bit of mousse in my hand and around the top, tie my hair down, and then it just makes the braids flat and the hair underneath the braids flat, you know. I don't know if that makes sense. Let me know what y'all think, but to me it makes sense. It makes my hair flat. It makes it look neat when it starts looking crazy. Last but not least, you'll need a head tie. So of course you'll need the head tie. You have to tie your hair down, because if you don't and you have braids, your hair is gonna look crazy and your hair is gonna get messed up within a couple of days, not even within a week, and then now you're walking around with messed up braids. Who wants that? You just spent like $200 and up on your braids and you just gonna mess them up? I don't think so. We're not doing that. But yeah, so now that I've talked about the products that I use and the importance of wrapping your hair, let's move on to my scalp in general. I just want to be real with y'all. I don't wash my hair when my hair is in braids, knotless braids, any kind of braids. I don't wash my hair. So yes, my scalp is dirty. It is, and I'm not ashamed to say that, because I don't like the look of it when you wash it and you have 4C hair. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. You have 4C hair, you wash your hair, now your hair is frizzing underneath the braids. The braids still look good, no lie, but now your hair is peeking out of the braids. No back talk? Okay, yeah. So I would keep my hair in for like a month and a half, 2 months max. That's if I'm feeling a little lazy, but a month and a half will do. And then I would prefer to just get a new set of braids than to wash my hair. To each their own. I'm not bashing anyone that does want to do that, but that's just not something that I would do. But yeah guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.